boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 19th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yeah, let me continue with the binary puzzle, and this will be number 6780. Yeah, 6780. 6780. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 16 printed digits. Wow, a lot of O's. Yeah. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means that in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, so let's get started. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Double here, 1, there, 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's, and 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones, and 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow. Without comparing. Yes, without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.